This fully renovated, turnkey furnished villa in Spanish Main Yacht Club offers relaxed island living in one of Longboat Key's most established 55 and over communities. Available for either annual lease or seasonal lease, this home includes all utilities, cable, and tax. This is a completely detached 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa, open, bright, and move-in ready. The home has been freshly renovated and is offered turnkey furnished, meaning everything you need is already here. Enjoy an open concept layout, updated finishes, comfortable living spaces, and a clean coastal aesthetic that complements the laid-back island lifestyle. Spanish Main Yacht Club is a vibrant 55 and over waterfront community that gives you access to a wide range of resort-style amenities, such as deeded beach access just across the street, perfect for morning walks and evening sunsets, a heated community pool, kayak launch, and fishing opportunities right on site, a clubhouse, and an active social calendar for residents who want to connect and enjoy the community. This is coastal living made easy, low maintenance, high quality, and designed with lifestyle in mind. Spanish Main is in an ideal Longboat Key location. You're just minutes from St. Armands Circle with its renowned dining, shopping, and entertainment options, and only a short drive to downtown Sarasota. Explore the area's pristine beaches, art galleries, golf courses, natural preserves, or stay right here in Spanish Main, where the water, sand, and sunshine are always steps away. All utilities included and availability is limited. If you're ready to live the island lifestyle without the hassle, get in touch today to check availability and secure your lease.